Okay, today we're going to learn how to make a face mask out of an old shirt and fast, because today is May 1st, 2020, and we are required to wear a mask if we go to the store if you're over 2 years old. So anyway, they have an old shirt that probably had holes and bleach stains and everything. I had already started, I made one mask already. We're going to use the sleeve to make the mask. I've been looking at different videos and that's the easiest. So you take the shirt and you cut the waistline off at the bottom, which I've already done. And all you're gonna need is scissors. And I use an envelope as to try and judge how big to make the mask, which usually should be about 6 or 7 inches depending on how big of a person you are. So anyways, after you cut the bottom off the waistline, you can, of the shirt, you can cut the bottom about an inch. It doesn't have to be precise because we're in a hurry and we want to do things fast and cheap. So anyways, I know some of the stores were offering, it would cost $1 for a mask, but why pay $1 if you don't have to? These were probably going to go to Goodwill, but who really would have used it anyways? It had holes in it and bleach stains. So look at it that way. And let's see. Probably a little bit more. Probably use better scissors. Mine are at school right now. Anyway, so you take the bottom and it makes a circle. You take it and you cut the ends off. Okay? Cut the ends off. This will be for our mask. You can kind of stretch these out, okay? That'll be the ends for your mask. We'll put them aside. And I'm just gonna work on the sleeve. What I'm gonna do is cut straight up and make it look like a half sleeve, or short sleeve, not a long sleeve. Go straight up, kind of cut the sleeve off. Okay? So, some people are making masks out of the bottom of the shirt. You can do that, but it just didn't seem like it fit right with me. Anyway, so I take the envelope and kind of guesstimate about where I'm going to cut. So, 6 to 7 inches is what they say for a face mask. But this one seems to be the fastest without sewing, without anything. And I will do a video showing you how to sew, because it's such a simple task that my grandma showed me, and they just don't teach you things like that anymore. Anyways, here is your mask part for your face, and you're going to take your 2 strips that you cut off and push the end through the sleeve, okay? And then you're going to tie the top. Okay, so you can see this will be your top of your mask. And obviously you take the other strip and you put it in the bottom, the sleeve. Okay, and I watched many videos and this one seemed to be the best without sewing. You know, the millennials don't know how to sew, most of you. And you can, you know, play around with it. Is this going to say styly mask? No, but it's for free. You were going to just throw your shirt on anyways, so that's it.